Hi guys, I'm doing a small experiment trying to solve the CAT 2019 slot 1 paper for you to try to show you how the toppers think and solve and how much work is required, etc. So this is for, of course, for the Arun Sharma Mindworks YouTube channel. We're looking at me solving the paper, and then of course we'll come up with later with the actual solutions of all the questions on this channel. So I'm just sharing my screen with you for this. Just sharing my screen with you for this, and we will start the session now. And I've put a timer here, so here goes. So you'll just see me solving it. This is not going to be, I'm not going to explain things. So first question, how many 3-digit numbers are there for which the product of their digits is more than 2? 3-digit numbers, product of digits is more than 2. But less than 7. So I want the product to be 3, 4, 5, 6. 3-digit numbers. So in the hundreds, 1 0 will not work. 1 0 will not work. 1 1, 3 to 1 1 6. That's 4 numbers. In 120s, this will be 120. 121 will not be there. 122 to 123. That's 2 numbers. 6 in the 130s. 131, 132. That's 2 more. 8 in the 140s. I have 141. In the 150s, I've got 151. The 160s, I've got 161. So 3 more. So that's 11 in the hundreds. In the 200s, 211. No. 212. 213. 2 numbers. 221. And that's only 1 number. 11, 3, 14. Oops. Should have started this. Let's assume I'm maybe 2.5 minutes into the paper. So 221, 230, 231. That's 1 more number. That's 4 more, so that makes it 15. 31 to 12 to 11. No, more than 2. Take 300s, 311, 312, 321. That's it. So 3 more, that's 18. In the 400s, 411. In the 500s, 511. In the 600s, 611. So that's 21. Next, how many 4-digit natural numbers of the form A, B, B, where A is greater than 0 is mean? The mean of all 4-digit natural numbers of the form A, B, B, where A is greater than 0. A, B, B, where A is greater than 0. All 4-digit natural numbers. So A will mean it can be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Now there's a doubt in my mind that when I go to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, and 9, 9, the doubt in my mind is, am I allowed to take numbers like 1, 1, 1, 1? I mean, because the last 2 digits can actually be 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, up to 9, 9. So if 1, 1 is not allowed, the average will be something else. That's a doubt. Maybe they're not telling me in they are distinct. Okay, let's just visualize this further. So इसमें क्या होगा कि okay, so 1100s, 2200s, yeah, And whether you take this or not, there will be equal number 1100s, 2200s, 9900s. Equal number of numbers रहेगा. So basically, the average of the last two digits, first two digits will be 55 because 1955 है. And the average is not going to go outside 55 because कुछ भी करे, so answer is 1. I'm not going to go further into this thinking. This is the answer. Right, let's move to the third question. If f5 plus x is equal to f5 minus x for every real x, fx is equal to 0 is 4 distinct real roots. Some of these roots is, let's say, fx is 0 at a, b, c, d. So x is to 4 function. 0 at a, b, c, d. So fa is 0, fb is 0. 0, b is 0, c is 0, d is 0. And you have plus 6. These roots. 1d plus b plus c plus d. B plus c plus d. This one here. Okay. Suppose you made x plus 3. 2 होगा. 12. Minus 20 आएगा. Slightly behind my time. कुछ दिख रहा है क्या? I don't remember geometry formulas. Always a problem to me. Especially some rhombus वाला. याद नहीं रहता है मेरे को formulas. So देखते हैं कुछ common sense लगा सकते हैं क्या? Circle is inscribed in a rhombus with diagonals 12 and 16. So अगर rhombus है तो ये diagonal 12 है और ये 16 है. Diagonals of rhombus शायद diagonals पे करता है. 8 है, ये 6 है, फिर 10 होगा. सॉरी ये 10 होगा. और ये नो आइडिया, छोड़ देते हैं इसको भी. Area of the region satisfying the inequalities. area is always curve. X minus X look like. Okay. Same time. saved and the speed is increasing. Yes. I need to speed up now. I need to speed up. So I hope you've seen that part of the video, and I just wanted to check how many questions I've got correct. I think I've attempted 21 attempts. So I've opened the official answer key along with my answers. So let's just see where I land up in this paper. तो इसको अगर देखते हैं, I hope you can see my screen now. Yeah. So if I look at this question number 1, the answer is 80, 21. I've got 21 there. That's okay. Question number 2, 5544. If you remember the solving, I was not sure of the 4-4. I had not solved it till 4-4 because 5-5 mil gaya tha. And then looking at the options, I realized that none of the others, it cannot really go to 5-0, 4-4 or 8-8 to start with, 4-8 to start with. The last part when I analyzed nahi kiya, I got this answer. The third question was a tough one. Took some time for me to understand what to do, and I got this right. So first 3 questions are all right. The fourth one, I think I completely lost it. I was not even making an inscribed rhombus. Circle inscribed in a rhombus is not the figure I made here, which is absolutely pathetic. Lost control of my thinking there, and hence quit that question. The fifth one was a good one. It was a good one. I got an answer of 3. The correct answer is 3, so I'm correct on that. Good question. And so also the sixth one, a lot of indices, rules, etc. You have to be careful. Or option based checking tha. But please note how much I wrote to check that, and how I merged option 1 and 2 while doing that. I got 2 there. I got it right. So first 5 attempts मेरे right है, 6 में से 5 एक attempt नहीं किया मैंने, 5 attempt हुए. Question 7 also I did not go through with the equations completely. थोड़ा देर तक equation से किया, उसके बाद I moved myself to numericals, and I was able to guesstimate the numbers of A, B, C, or A and B as 5 and 1. So I got this right. 8th one, I had a complete solving. It should be right. 8th is right. 90. This one I solved. I knew the answer while solving it. 9th one also, I knew the answer. I had solved it completely, so it's correct. 10th का आंसर भी मेरा श्योर था, 243. Interesting thought behind the way I solved it. So ये भी है. This also I got right. 11th pigeonhole principle. 9 I got it right. 12th multiplication of 2 ratios and multiplier logic, 84. Got it right. This also I knew it was correct while solving. 13th, I was under time pressure. I'd used too much time to get to question 12. I had used more than 20 minutes, if I remember correctly. वो तुम लोग उस पे देख लेना. तो I realized that I have to push further, push fast. I could have done this question, but it was too much of writing. So 2-3 minute लग जाता मेरे को. मेरा per question time frame कम करना था, so I did not do it. 14th was down my alley. A lot of calculations involved, but I'm good at that. So I completed that. That was not too tedious for me. 15th I got stuck in. थोड़ा try किया मैंने, but since I was under time pressure, I could not go through with it. Solve हो जाता अगर करता मैं properly. And 16 to 20th is what gave me the boost. And this was an arithmetic, if you remember. 16th I got it right. 17th also 8 answer है, यहाँ पे I got it right. So I knew this answer, of course. And 18th also I got it right. I knew this answer. ये बहुत standard question है. And 19th का 82 है, I got 82. This required some writing. ये boats and streams का question है, trains का question है. So 82 I got this right. 20th में मेरे को थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, because 20th में मेरा आंसर कुछ 70 प्लस आ रहा था. And since I needed that attempt, I marked 66 because that was the closest. So I was not in control of this question. I'll need to look at it once more. Solve करके देखना पड़ेगा क्या हुआ. 21st I was in control of. थोड़ा सा analysis required था, graphical. So I got this right. 21st. 20th also luckily I got right. थोड़ा सा luck था, not, I mean, maybe 10% luck, 90% solving. 23rd I got a 67. और ये भी this इसमें भी I lost control. I took some time, and I took a call that the percentage change has to be quite high. और ये educated guess था, which came right for me. Here 24th I did not get time to see. 1-2 minute और रहता तो कर लेता मैं इसको. 25th it was straight down allegation track, so I got this right on 25th. And 26th अगर देखोगे तो 26th में, because I was under time pressure last 40 seconds, of course I've used 1.5 minutes extra because start में मैंने timer नहीं start किया था, but I think you can give me that leeway because there were two constraints I had. One constraint was I had to write with a digital pen, which is always slower than writing with a physical pen on paper, and the second thing was that I had to erase. So every question, to erase the previous writing, it took me 5-7 seconds extra. So more or less 40 minutes में मेरा यही performance रहता. So if I look through this one, I got wrong. यहाँ पे जो मैंने last 30 seconds में thought था कि 1 raised to anything. So if I make this ये base वाला quadratic equation को 1 बनाऊं तो दो रूट्स हैं, 2 वैल्यू पे 1 आएगा ये. और पावर को अगर मैं 1 बनाऊंगा, पावर को 0 बनाऊंगा तो भी 1 हो जाएगा. So there'll be 2 values for this being equal to 0. So I got 4 from there. Although I was in the last 30 seconds, so I took a call कि positive integer value solution आएगा उसका. I just took because 2, 4, 6, 8 है, तो काफी केसेस में positive solution आना चाहिए, है ना. So that is something that I took a call on. Of course इसको अगर equal to 1 करते x square minus 7x plus 11 को, तो x square minus 7x plus 10 आ जाते, तो 5 और 2 इसके रूट्स आ जाते. और इसको भी 0 बनाना होता तो 7 और 6 इसके रूट्स आ जाते, कर सकते थे. If I had half a minute more, I would have got this right. What I missed out was taking the base as -1 raised to an even power. वो miss out कर गया. अगर वो मेरे को दिख जाता तो I would have gone for a higher value than 4. So I would have got it right. But under the last 30 seconds, I made that oversight, which is why I got this wrong. So 26th was wrong. 25th is correct. So one correct. 23rd is I think I got everything else correct. 23rd is correct. So 2 corrects. 21st is correct. So 3 corrects. 20th is correct. So 4 corrects. 19th is correct. 5 corrects. 18th was such an easy question. It is correct. So 6 correct. 17th was correct. 7 correct. 16th was correct. 8 correct. 15th I didn't attempt. 14th is 9 correct. 13th I didn't attempt. 12, 11 is 2 more correct. 11 correct. Both these are correct. So 11 correct. Then 10, 9, 10 correct. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I got 2 as the answer for 6. So 16 correct. I got 3 as the answer for 5. So 17 correct. Question 4 I didn't do. And 18, 19, 20. 20 solved, 20 correct. The only one I went wrong with was the one I did under pressure. So score of 60. I would take that. Maybe I could have done if I had not got stuck at a couple of places, I could have done a 65, 70 maybe. But because I would obviously know the other questions, I would have solved. I knew the other questions also. कैसे करना है, कभी-कभी वहाँ पे strike नहीं करता under pressure. So I would take 60 minus 1 error in the last minute. So 59 I would take any day on quants. 59 in quants, I would get a 50 to 60 in verbal. So I would be at 109 to 119 in quants plus verbal. And DI, good day, I would get a 60 on DI. Bad day, I would get a 40. 30, 40 maybe. No, not 30. 40 to 60, good day. Good day 60, bad day 40. So it would end up at 159 to 179. And if I had actually hit that 179 point, I think it would have been 100 percentile this year. So anyway, that's it from my side. I'll do the other sections also. Verbal दिखाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. लेकिन DIV में फर्स्ट टाइम करके लाइव करके तुम लोगों को दिखाऊंगा इसका. ठीक है, चलो. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I'll be back with the other slots also. I'll do the other slots also for you. Thank you.